Hello and welcome to this video tutorial by Ricky Lee for rickylee.com. Today we're going to cover how to use a free service provided by ntrconnect for remote access and remote control from one computer to another, and how to install it. In my case, I use it for when I need to show a client or demonstrate something through my computer on another client's computer remotely. So to do this on your side, you would install this software by going, if you have an internet browser on your computer, you open it up, and when you're on the internet, what you do is you type ntrconnect.com, hit enter. And if you don't have an account already, then you would click on the free trial, follow the steps. In this case, we are going to install a second computer, which is on my side. I installed this software on my computer. This video is demonstrating how you on your side will install this software so that I can access your computer and walk you through and demonstrate and meet your needs and answer your questions. So here you can see my computer is connected right here. This is my computer, and the status is right here where it shows a green, and you see this as connect. So on your end, you would click over here, you would click on this where it says install a new computer. So on your side, you would click that for installing, and then now you will click on download. You will download this software onto your computer, and this window should open up. If you have something else, you want to make sure you save it, or you can run it. Okay, in this tutorial we're going to save it, and when you save it, it's going to ask you where you want to save it. You want to click on desktop to make sure it goes on the desktop, and remember the name of this file, so you save it, and it's going to download onto the desktop. And you should be able to click run or open folder. And just in case that wasn't there, you close that window, and on your desktop here is the software you just downloaded, and you'll want to click on it, and you'll want to click on run, and you'll want to go through the whole process, and you'll walk through this, and you'll hit if you already have an old one, you'll hit remove, if you don't have an old one, you'll just follow through and follow the instructions. In my case, and for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to remove what I already have on my computer. So when this is done, it'll allow me to continue to the next step. Okay, it removed the old one. So now what I'm going to do is actually run the install again. Now it should say I accept, and then I hit next, and then hit next. And in my situation on my computer, yours may not have this step, which I have to swipe my finger and validate who I am. If you need to create a new account, you would click right here for new account, and if you already have an account registered, you would put the username and the password right in there, and you would click next, and the program would continue doing what it should be doing, which is install the software. In my situation, it asks for a fingerprint for authorization to install, and then you would just, if you have an account already, you would choose here, use my account password by default. If you don't have that, then you would fill in this area your password. Since I already have it, I'm going to use check, and I'm going to hit next. Now as you can see, on this side of the screen on my computer, you don't see the icon for ntrconnect. But now that the installing ntrconnect, now that this is installing and it's finished, on the over here now you see ntrconnect state online. So that will happen, and when you see this on your computer, you know that your installation has completed correctly, and then you can start beginning to use it. And then when you go to the ntrconnect page, you can see the computer list, and you can see here that that computer and the status is connected. And if you have more than one, it will show up under here the name of the computer and the status of the other computer. That's it for this tutorial. I am Ricky Lee for rickylee.com. If you have a question, you can go to my website, and for a personal answer to your question, you can click on the bottom here, and you'll get a form where you can email directly to me, and I will do my best to answer your question as soon as I can. Thank you.